Hello, it's Big Cheds, and this is part of the Trading Encyclopedia daily education series on my YouTube channel, Cheds Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Cheds, and you can catch me on Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's video, we're going to do something fun. I'm going to take one of the sample trade journal entries from my recent book, The Trading Journal. And this one is Hero, is this sample ticker name. It's a shooting star after a move up. And so here's the trading thesis. Hero has been a pretty strong chart lately, and a shooting star is forming here after a move up. I'm targeting this for a rejection and trend reversal. I'm going to take an entry here on the candle close. So here's the trading idea. It's explained. It's a strong chart that has formed a short-term reversal signal, the shooting star. And the entry is after the candle closed. Stop loss, I don't think I'll need one because I have such a nice entry. But if it closes 2 daily candle closes above my entry, then I will consider the idea failed. I don't know if this is a great idea, buddy. It sounds like this person is overconfident. I don't think I'll need a stop loss. This doesn't sound good. Profit plan. I hope to ride this trade for a while to make up for my recent losses. Wow, that's a big warning sign, right? You're trying to make up for other losses. So it's not really about this trade. It's about other things. I don't have a specific target in mind, but I'll watch for Hero. I'll watch when it gets down 20% from this entry. That's a big drop for a short. 20% spot. Sounds like a little bit aggressive here. Mindfulness. This is important. My last few trades have not gone as planned, but it doesn't matter to me. I will not let it affect me, and I'll make sure my next trade works out so I can get back on track. So this individual knows they're kind of on a bad run. They're acting like they're not on tilt, but we think they are on tilt based on these earlier clues. Well, what happened? End result. What a disaster. I should have known better. Maybe I am on tilt. The price only briefly dropped after that light volume shooting star, and then it continued. My stop loss was too loose, and by the time 2 candle close happened, I was already down 30%. Total disaster. So first of all, here's the lessons learned after the reflection of the loss. I was playing a reversal on a strong chart. This is the mistake. If you're going to play a short, it should be on a bad chart that's bounced, not a strong chart. Rather than targeting the dip in an uptrend, that's what went wrong. I need to remember to fade bounces in downtrends. Again, we want to trade with the trends. You take advantage of the dip in an uptrend and the rip in a downtrend. The stop loss was too casual and took the funds for granted. Something's not right, and I need to switch things up. So this is a very interesting sample trade journal entry. Started out kind of emotional, not realizing it, and then at the end, it was obvious there were some major mistakes that were made, and this individual needs to take a little bit of break and to go read one of those textbooks that Cheds keeps talking about. So this is just one example from the book, and these are the things that go into any trade journal entry: the thesis, stop loss plan, mindfulness, and resultant lessons learned. And again, through the process of doing this, you can learn a lot about your trading, learn a lot about yourself, and it will teach you to be mindful. So this was a fun exercise, and this is part of the Trading Encyclopedia daily education series on my YouTube channel, Cheds Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Cheds and catch me on Bitcoin Live. Thank you, folks. I'll talk to you soon. Big Cheds out.